Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing in with a Microsoft account. This syncs settings, OneDrive, and store purchases. First, confirm you're on an active Wi-Fi network and that Windows is up to date. Then open Settings, choose Accounts, and click your info or sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Type your email and password. If you have two-step verification, follow the prompt. Once done, Windows will offer to link a PIN for faster sign-ins. Create one to streamline future access. Once signed in, you'll verify identity. Check your email or Authenticator app, then enter the code to proceed. Next, set up Windows Hello or a PIN for quick sign-ins. These add convenience and security. Then go to Settings account, sync your settings, and toggle which items to sync. Choose themes, passwords, language preferences, and other data you want mirrored across devices. Make sure OneDrive is enabled if you want desktop, documents, and pictures backed up automatically. To finish, verify your PC appears under your Microsoft account online and that OneDrive folders are syncing. Then review privacy, app permissions, and family safety if relevant. Make sure apps like Mail and Calendar are connected to the account for full integration. If something goes wrong, like sign-in failing, first check your network and run Windows Update, then sign out and sign back in. If that still fails, use Account Recovery or reset the Microsoft account password. Then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.